So hi everyone, let me quickly share you today's analysis and how market today performs. The plan that we want to execute has already done. Market has shown us a selling side move. I will be waiting for the sellers to enter into the market. Till the point I will be not entering into the trade. So if you look at the opening, it is 673. Market has gone till 600. Okay. Already market has done a good move here. Let's see what we can get. If I look at Bank Nifty is opening below 50,000. Taken support exactly from 49,500. So which is a round number. Also 49,800 acts as a resistance here. The candle is of 300 points. That is a crazy volatility over here. If I look at Sensex, has taken up exactly from 72, 78,200 resistance. 800 breakdown would be expected in Sensex. Wait for something to form. Here we want a rejection or a retracement kind of thing so that we can happen. We can enter or we'll be entering on the buyer's trap when buyers will be trapping in this kind of market when buyers will be coming into the market. If I plot fib retracement here of this entire swing, buyers will be coming at if market takes supports from 600, then buyers will be coming into the market. Or intraday low breaks in the premium, which is close to 50 point of in at the money premium, it is close to a retracement of say 50 points. Let me plot this. 590 is the crucial support for the buyers to come. Otherwise, 660, exactly 50% where market is there, where market is hovering at, is going to be a crucial support, right? So we will be entering on buyer's trap. So when the buyers will be getting trapped, I need to identify that. If the intraday high breaks in Bank Nifty, then also buyers will be getting trapped here. And today is Nifty expiry also. So I need to be keeping that in mind also. 49,500 is acting as a support. Let's see, we'll have a better entry here. But where that entry will be forming is there is two levels, right? One is 660 and another is 590. 2 points for the market to retrace of the entire buying swing. Market is trying to come and take the SLs of the buyers because they are placing their SL on these levels, right? But also sellers are in good profit. We cannot target them directly. That is also a crucial point. And market is exactly at 50. The support which is getting formed in Bank Nifty is concerning, but in Sensex it has taken exactly resistance of 78,200. So people would be selling there. If any kind of retracement happens of this level for 60%, which will somewhere close to 100, then will be good. Otherwise, the retailer would be getting money here because looking at this candle, people would be selling there. Let me add a call option also. Showing some support activity exactly from 600. And Bank Nifty also. Rejection kind of candles in Bank Nifty. So 500 breakdown happened after that showing rejection and also rejection from the upper side. It's good for us only because I can plan for a buy side trade. Also, market is taking resistance exactly from the closing price, right? So that's the concerning part. And market is repeating previous day's chart also. I'm planning to enter here. Reason being simple, to target the above sellers. I'm planning here. What are the conditions that is met? That's why we are planning. There is below 600, right? It has taken support from 600. There is no point of the 600 support, but let's have the entry first. Okay, I've entered into the trade. 162 is the price that we have got. Stop loss will be small, which is close to 150. Why I have entered into this trade? Just to target the above sellers, right? Who are looking at the closing price resistance. Okay, let me decide the target also. 180 to 184. These are also good targets. But let's see how the trade goes. So I'm explaining the reason behind this trade. So reason being this trade is the resistance that is formed exactly from the 200 closing price. People would be selling highly there. So I am this is a crucial point for the buyers to take their position, right? To build their position. Also, our entry could be better at 600 breakdown. I need to keep expiry factors in mind also. The low it has made is 5153. From here after intraday high breakout expected in Bank Nifty and in Sensex also. Expectation would be 78,200 breakout or at least a 60% move or 78,000 above breakout. But the hammer here is it is forming this kind of thing to be concerned about. I will be letting no emotions come so that I am placing In my phone, I am opening the take a break tab so that after first trade I can take a break or I can close the terminal. That is the kind of indecision candle formed there. Going good, going good. Let me plan to the trade also. Today is expiry also. I need to keep that in mind too. At least to trap the buyers also, market need to. I need to be quick at this point because of the rejection. So to trap the buyers also, market need to make this move or make 800 breakout at this index bank nifty. 150 is the price of my stop loss. So I have booked my position with a loss of 100 rupees, 1,100 rupees. 600 breakdown already happened. So I entered into this trade again. The reason being simple, it is exactly at 60%. So I need to take another risk because simple market is at 60%. So if buyers have at least some strength, then they would be planning the market to take high from here only. Because after that there is no point of them to take the market high. Also, I'll be ready to cut the position if this low further breaks. Already 600 breakdown happened, so sellers will be coming there. So to take their SL market should move. This is showing rejection only. It is not going, then I should be planning to book. Otherwise, market cannot give the sellers directly profit because it is moving down only from the initial move. Showing rejections, yeah. The price that we have got is no man, it is not going. They should go fast, otherwise, okay. start going, but 2 minutes left for the candle closing. If this is going now, means it is attracting the buyers only because 2 minutes left for the candle closing now. The kind of rejection that it is showing, insane. If the move against happens against, if the move happens against me, then it would be very difficult to cut the trade because of the spikes and all. Also, time is not in our favor today. We have down. This seems like a high probability trade, but I need to maybe wait for stop loss of the candle low. Let's see if this time goes on. These are 166, 174. People will be selling there only. Sorry, there is so much of rejection from the downside. Expecting a retracement kind of move here so that buyers would get attracted because market has already given profit good to the sellers. Also 600 breakdown happened so that they would be getting into profit and adding their position. So market need to take their SL. But why I'm getting concerned here is because of the expiry factor. It's trying very hard to go. 2 minutes left for the candle closing. The kind of selling side attractive moves that market is showing, making me doubt only. I'm just expecting a retracement kind of move so that sellers SL would have get otherwise today is expiry now. That's why I'm getting concerned. Otherwise, I could have easily holded the trade. 'It should move faster, no? Otherwise, retail buyers would enter into this trade. The move is not fast. - 900 breakout also happened in. This is going to be my last sell. The low of this candle is 144. Again, if price comes till 144, then I will be exiting from this trade. Why I'm sitting in the call side is expecting a good move in call side. At least in Bank Nifty also, at least if 800 breaks, then also we can book in Nifty. The move is not fast. That's what concerning me. 753, 754 in Bank Nifty. Let's make a spike and go to 800. If Bank Nifty goes, then Nifty will also go. No, the move is very slow. I've exited from the trade. Loss that I have taken 698 rupees. Sorry, 798 rupees. Let's see what happens. My mind gets stuck and I could not able to do anything right here. First, I need to understand. So this is the reason why I exited from this trade. The kind of fluctuation it is showing, I don't think I can digest that. Also, my mind is somewhere not balanced today. Let's see what happens in this trade. Otherwise, uh, if market gives us guilt that we should have waited, then let's see. This is also not convincing because because of the hammer kind of patterns. In Bank Nifty, almost 800 breakout happened. Coming to do the breakout of 800. And Nifty it is in Sensex also. There is no as such bullish momentum in it.
After this kind of spike, market is giving us negative momentum, maybe due to the expiry factor, or it wants to remove the buyers, random buyers who have bought looking at the hammers. As you can clearly see here, market has removed all the random buyers here, making the who has been attracted through these small candles. Market has removed all the random buyers and taken resistance exactly in Sensex. It is exactly from 78,000. So market needs to remove the sellers also. But let's see they get targeted or not. In Bank Nifty also, after showing a good move, market has moved down from the exact intraday high. So let's see what happens. I still till point I don't understand the move of the market. Maybe it's just giving profits to the sellers only because we cannot target the buy cannot target the sellers as of now. They have been placing their stop loss near around this. Let's see. So after making W pattern, as you can see, market is no doubt going higher, but the kind of rejection that market is showing is crazy. Also, we should have look the plan that we have made in Sensex, made for Sensex, has been working out here. Sensex is going to break 200. In Bank Nifty, there is a kind of rejection, and Nifty has trying to break its day high because to target the sellers who are selling over there.
As it is clearly visible, after trapping the buyers, showing some retracement from 60%, like these retracement, market has turned negative and going for the selling side move. At least 500 breakdown would be expected from hereafter. The crucial thing, when did the trapping happen crucially or importantly or visibly in Sensex after 78,000 breakout, market has not sustained and after that showing this kind of thing needs to be learned here is you have to be right in the direction. Otherwise, you will not get the confidence to hold the trade. And also, if you don't wait for something to be formed, then you will not get the chance to capture the move. Because there is nothing as such important happened in Nifty. But Sensex shown us what could happen here. We can act from Sensex also, looking at the Sensex price movements. So we need to be looking for that also. Also, there is one thing, expecting a 500 breakdown. If I'm entering here, let's see how much retracement do I get and how much time it would take for the market to break 500. We'll update you. It's around 10:51 on which I might say that I have taken the trade. Let's see how far time it takes.